In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make your first $1,000 promoting affiliate links using free traffic. I will share with you guys my methods that I'm using to earn $9,200 just in 15 days. I made this commission from the first day of April until the day 15th of April. So it's almost 2 weeks. And in this video, guys, I will share with you my method that you can start using to earn your first $1,000. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just have to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down. Go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money with this affiliate marketing business. So just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard. Okay, so here you go. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. Okay, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Facebook, and I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so let's go back. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr like this and click on the search for this service, search for Facebook ads. Okay, search for Facebook ads. Okay, like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has lots of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so scroll down. So let's see if we can find good seller here. I will manage your Facebook ads entirely. Like this one is really looking good. Like this seller is really looking good. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. And this one also looking good. We have another one. Our agency will be your Facebook ads manager. This one also looking good. So I will choose, for example, this seller. I will click on this seller title on his service. And here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. And as you can see, people are buying this service. Okay, this service is working, guys. A lot of people are interested to buy Facebook ads service. Okay, you can see over here this seller has 25 orders in queue. People keep coming back. A lot of people keep coming and buying this service again and again. Okay, so it's working. So what you will do, you will just copy this seller profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. You click over here, okay, to your dashboard. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have report, you have payments, you have post bag, you have sub affiliate, and so on. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. You guys all have a Facebook account, so it's super easy. Just open your Facebook account like this. Click on the search for Facebook, search for Facebook ads. Okay, search for Facebook ads. You have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups. We need Facebook groups. Okay, so you guys don't know the potential of Facebook groups. You guys can get so much traffic from Facebook. Okay, so did you know that Facebook has 16 billion monthly visitors? Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services and products on Facebook groups, and you can get so much traffic if you do it correctly. Okay, so you guys, you don't need to miss this potential of Facebook groups. It's and free traffic. It's even just free traffic. Okay, anyway, you will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you need to join. So make sure to join all those groups. Okay, let's check this group for example. It's super easy. Just click on join and you will join those groups. They are for free. Scroll down, choose which group you want, and here you go. Need a Facebook expert sponsor ad. Okay, this person is searching for Facebook ads expert. Okay, so what you will do, let's see, we can scroll even, let's scroll down if we can find more people searching for Facebook ads. Okay, it's expert like this one. Look at this one. He just posted this post today. I need Facebook ads expert. Okay, must be experienced in a good budget. Okay, so this person is searching for Facebook ads expert. This person is searching for this seller. Okay, he is searching for this seller for Facebook ads expert, and this one on Fiverr will help this person to create or manage his Facebook ads account. Okay, this person has experience, has a lot of reviews, 25 orders in queue. What you will do, it's like you need to connect this seller with this buyer, and you will earn commission. So here is what you need to do. Click on his name, click on message. You need to send a professional and friendly message to this person. So how we can create a professional and friendly message? Don't worry, it's super easy. Even if you don't speak English, you can do it. Okay, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, create ChatGPT account. This AI will help you to create a friendly and a professional message that you can send to your customers. Okay, super easy. And you can just use free version. I'm just using free version. Okay, super for free, guys. Okay, I asked him create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy a Facebook ads service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. ChatGPT created this amazing and friendly message. Hey there, amazing entrepreneurs. Are you looking to take your business to the next level? Okay, with targeted Facebook ads that drive results? Look no further. I have come across this fantastic Facebook ads service on Fiverr that has been receiving rave reviews for its effect. It's really an amazing message that can convince those people to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, you can see this. AI is really powerful, guys. Okay, you should use AI in your business. So what you will do, guys, just copy this message and go back to Facebook. This person searching for Facebook ads expert. I will send this message to this person. Okay, and okay, we'll delete this part. Okay, like this, and I will go and I'm gonna delete the first one, this one. So we don't want this one. We want to make it just simple and easy. And here you go. If you scroll down, you should find a part that you should put your affiliate link in. Okay, Here is the link to get started. Put your affiliate link here, okay? Delete this part, delete this one like this, and okay, you need to put your affiliate link here. So just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So you guys, if you have new Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account, okay? I have been doing this business, it's almost like 4 years now, okay? So for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here, okay? Super easy. And this link is too much long, so I always like to make it short link. You can guys go to Google and you can search for this website. It doesn't matter, it's not important. So for me, I just like to make it short. You can put your affiliate link here and you can click on shorten, okay? I really like to make it short like this. Here you go. I will go back to Facebook and I will put my affiliate link here, and that's it, okay? And I will click on send, and here you go. Your message with your affiliate link will be sent to this person who is searching for Facebook ads expert, okay? Your message will be sent like this, okay? Here you go, professional and friendly message. If this person is still searching for Facebook ads expert, he will check your message. If he click on your affiliate link, for example, like this, he will be directly into this seller Fiverr profile page. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. It's super easy, guys, okay? Those people on Facebook groups are searching for someone to create Facebook ads campaign for their businesses, okay? So you will connect those people with those sellers on Fiverr and you will earn commission. If you know how you can talk with those people, how to convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link, you can make so much money with this method. This is the method that I'm using, okay? You just need to learn the skills of selling. You need to learn how you can sell, okay? If you scroll down, you can find a lot of people here who are searching for, I need someone who is expert at Facebook ads. Here is another person searching for someone who is expert in Facebook ads. You can click on his name, you can click on message, you can talk with this person. If you scroll down, I need Google Ads expert. Here's another person looking for Google Ads expert. Go to Fiverr, search for Google Ads expert service, send your affiliate link to this person, and that's it. I need an ads expert. Here is another person searching for an ads. You guys can find a lot of people here searching for services. You just need, it's up to you now. I show you guys how you can create your affiliate account, how you can choose profitable services, how you can find people who will buy those services from your affiliate link. It's just, so what's left is just your work, okay? You will stay consistent, you will keep improving, you will do more research, you will learn how you can sell, okay? And that's it. You can make so much money with this method. That's what I do to earn a commission every single month, okay? Just using free traffic from Facebook groups, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Quora, TikTok, and so much more, okay? So make sure to watch this video, make sure to like this video, guys. Leave a comment if you have any question. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm also working, guys, on a course that will be launched very soon in my channel, okay? This course will cover everything for people who are interested and serious to make money with affiliate marketing, okay? We'll share with you a lot of new methods that you can use, and that's it. So if you are interested, just please comment affiliate marketing in this video, and see you guys in my next video.